to accountants. I want to open an online business. Are taxations the same for online and offline businesses?
Pretty much same. However, if you run online business, you'll probably end up trading within the EU. And if you are, you have to be careful with the digital services rules around the VAT. That's number one. If you've heard about digital services tax, you can ignore it. That's not relevant for you. It is for multinational large organizations like Facebook, Google, Amazon.
What do I need an accountant for as a small business owner?
Depends whether you're a sole trader or you're a limited company. If you are a sole trader, you will need an accountant to submit your tax return, although you can do the research and do that yourself. If you have a limited company, then you need an accountant to do the bookkeeping and then to submit the annual accounts for company's house and tax return to HMRC. Also, you may need an accountant to submit the payroll or VAT return, and that depends whether you've got a big business or very small business.
When do I need to register my business for VAT?
When your total sales exceed £85,000 a year, however, you have to exclude your overseas sales. So we're concentrating only on UK sales. And also you don't have to wait for this threshold. You can register even if you don't have any sales. That will be called voluntary registration, and that may be beneficial for you because you can claim VAT back from your expenses.
Hi Q Accountants, what things should I pay attention to when choosing an accountant?
First of all, make sure they have public indemnity insurance. The second, make sure they have a practicing license. Strictly speaking, accountants don't have to have a practicing license. However, if they do, that means they have a supervisory body. And third one, where they're based. These days, many accountants are based overseas, or they outsource their work to overseas. And although that may be perfectly fine with logistics point of view, however, do they have UK qualifications or not? I wouldn't recommend having an accountant who outsource all their work to overseas.
If I want to start a small business, do I need to set up a limited company?
No, you don't have to. There are many alternatives. The popular one is to be a sole trader. If you spend enough time and you teach yourself, you can actually do the accounting and tax return yourself. However, there is a good reason why many people choose to have a limited company. And for that, stay tuned and we'll cover that in the next Q&A.